Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to design high CTR YouTube thumbnails in Canva step by step in 2026. So your videos don't just look good, but actually get clicked. Let's be honest, most people don't read titles first. They see the thumbnail, feel something, and then decide whether to click or scroll. That's why thumbnails are all about attention and clarity. Start by opening Canva and selecting YouTube thumbnail size, which is 1280 by 720 pixels. This keeps your thumbnail sharp on mobile, desktop, and TV screens. Now focus on the background. Avoid busy images. Use a solid color, gradient, or a slightly blurred photo so your main subject pops instantly. If the background competes with the subject, CTR drops. Simple as that. Next comes the most important part, the subject. Faces work incredibly well, especially with emotion. Zoom in, crop tight, and make sure the eyes are clearly visible. If you're not using a face, use a strong object or symbol that instantly communicates the topic. Text should be minimal. 2 to 4 words max, big, bold, and readable even on a small phone screen. Don't explain, tease. Create curiosity, not summaries. Color contrast matters a lot. Light text on dark backgrounds or dark text on light backgrounds. Add subtle shadows or outlines so the text stays readable everywhere. Another high CTR trick is visual hierarchy. Your eyes should land on the subject first, then the text, then any supporting elements. Use Canva's spacing and alignment tools to keep everything clean and balanced. Before exporting, zoom out until the thumbnail is tiny. If you can still read it and understand the message, yeah, that's a good sign. Download it as a PNG for the best quality. And that's how to design high CTR YouTube thumbnails in Canva step by step in 2026. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more Canva and creator tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.